I am Sunset English Club. I am the president of Sunset English Club. You ask yourself, you wonder, how can you buff your level up? How can you speak your English? How can you return any club for practicing English? The best way of doing all this thing is inside of Sunset English Club. So you ask us again, how about the address, how about numbers? So there is no problem, brother. About address, we are inside of Catholic Church, Notre Dame of IPAN, National Pedagogic University. We are inside with members. We practice our English. We learn things together for having a good understanding of this language. For numbers and any contact to join us is better. You can call us about 08254 96974. I can repeat again for you because you got some delay. 08254 96974. Okay, apart from this number, you can call us again about 089 011 7206. So I mean, this is our best way of reaching us, and then we can practice our English. See you.